Okay, so one more design query was that one of the client was into car detailing and on-demand car wash. So that particular business needs a single page, or you can see landing page. So we'll be building that. So on-demand car wash detailing service, right? So you have to specifically mention as single landing page, otherwise it will go on multiple pages. Explain the services and its charges, multiple cards, minimum 4 of services, right? And we can also explain how exactly this process goes, how many minutes it takes. Also include time taken for each service in card, right? And what else we can do is offer something for free, like offering doorstep delivery. So we can add something like that to make that particular landing page worth exploring. Most important part we have to think over here is that this needs to be without any form of database. Form for contact and C tag for service pickup, also payment form of next it on site, right? So it will be like the form that will explain which type of car or bike it is, and then next to it would be payment form, right? We have to use less credits as possible, right? Let me check how many of our credits are here. 2.2, so still something we can pull this out of, right? You can see do not use cloud features or do not use database, right? Because this is single page and we don't need this data, just we need prototype. So prototype design, use less credits as possible. So you have to be pretty much detailed about it, right? So that part we have to cover here, right? So we started up with build single landing page for on-demand car wash and detailing service. Explain the service and its charges with multiple cards with minimum 4 of such service, right? Also include time taken for each service in card, free doorstep delivery pickup, include form for contact for service pickup and payment for next to it on site. Do not use cloud features on database. It's prototype design, so use less credits as possible. So we'll pass this prompt to Lovable. Let's see how much it can show. You can always adjust the sidebar size here, right? You have to think of the theme that this particular goes with. So we are letting it decide the theme, so blue and silver, right? Then hero section, then service cards, grades with 4+ service, side by side contract and payment forms. There will be smooth animations, so with mouse we can explore that part. Now you can see basic services to showcase would be basic wash and detailing, ceramic coating and so on, right? Price and time. So this is what they were expecting and this is what they will get. One more thing is you have to also think of database if you are trying to actually get this when you deploy the prototype. So in that case you can enable the cloud features. So on top you can see cloud, right, and it is loading. Okay, all the features are being finished. You can see professional any page, and it is going to load the preview. So let me hide the sidebar. Okay, now it is full screen. See, free pickup and delivery, license, then eco-friendly products. You can always change this particular background with some cleaning background, basic wash, premium, deep detail, ceramic coating. So this particular section showing those details is good. Then your pickup, payment, right? So we have that feature pretty much corrected. We just need something different, which is the footer with the address part. That part is not completely done properly, so we'll have to make few changes. It took around 1.6 credits, and yeah, left with 0.7. So within single prompt and that many credits, we managed to put up a good design for this particular on-demand car wash small business.